Hey, alright everyone. Now, this is a lesson. Don't reassemble this bit in the wrong order. I've got these pieces here out of phase. So what you get, actually, look, best of all, I'll show you on the front. When we drive it, right? See the wheels are going round at the same speed, and the back ones sort of kick. Anyway, that's what happens when you put these bits in the wrong way. Pain in the neck, because I've got to take absolutely everything off. Body off, exhaust off. Got to take the transmission out again. But I'm getting better at it. I've done it a few times now. And I might even put the 570 motor back in. Let's just watch that again. That's it. There we go. When I'm towing stuff, like when I was towing that big block, the transmission was making a weird noise, which is why I quit early. So maybe we can do more than 22.5 kilos. Anyway, let's see what happens. So, a couple of hours or so, maybe tomorrow I'll do a new video.